Hi everyone, I am going to make this video very in detail because a lot of people have a lot of questions and I want to make this video as you can make it for a simple person, because the people they are technical, they know what I am doing, but a lot of people they are not technical. So if I make this video as it is how I'm doing, I don't want to cut and do the things behind, because if I do this sometime people can have another problems. For example, this is the SIM card. If I'm going to solder this SIM card and I didn't show how I soldered, might be you can destroy your SIM card because you don't know how I do it. Might be you see only on the internet and you just try to put the solder is very hot and you going to put the connection here, and this SIM card can be totally spoiled. You can get connection but the SIM card will be totally damaged, and then is thing not gonna work and you will feel like, okay, why this my work didn't work, my work not exactly how I'm doing, my hard work is just wasting. So I don't want like this. So what I'm doing, I am this video going to be slightly long, I think more long, but I want to do exactly so you can know the technical things how I do also, and you're not going to waste your time, your precious time and money on something your little bit mistake can spoil everything. Okay, the SIM card is very sensitive thing. This, as you can see, is very slim, and excess heat or overheating can make the SIM totally damaged and useless. So many people might be, they don't know about this, they just see the connection and they try to do the connection themselves. For example, my last video, I have one video, and in that video I made this SIM card connection, and might be people say, okay, I can do it, I can make this connection, but if you see this SIM card is totally proper way, it's not spoiled and it's not burned. As you can see, it's in a good shape and working conditions here. Okay, but if you don't know how I do it, if you see here, let me zoom in. Okay, now the SIM card is not on the floor, not on the table, but actually where is the SIM card? This is a heat sink, aluminum. So aluminum take all the heat, most of the time heat of the SIM, so your SIM not going to spoil, and all the heat will transfer to this metal. Aluminum is a good for signal and aluminum is good for heat sink also. That's why in the computer and many things they use aluminum heat sinks. Even if you see your MacBook also is from aluminum body, because it's very good heat conductor and it's take all the heat. Okay, now second thing, before I am going to give a connection for this SIM, I need a flux. This is a special flux for soldering. You can find online from your area. There's a lot of simple and it's very cheap stuff. If you want to do this, mostly people they have a solder, they have this flux. Now a little bit flux, I'm going to put it here on this SIM card in this area. If you see, this is the cutting area of the SIM card. Hold on, let me zoom. Yeah, so a little bit flux I'm putting here. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, and another is exactly opposite side, this side. So it's good for make easy connection to solder, made easy for soldering, and yeah, like that. Okay, I think this is good. As you can see, I can do everything is very quickly and I will just show you the connections, but same thing I'm telling you, I don't want people spoil their SIM, so better you learn and watch it carefully. It's quite zoom, too much zoom I think, but yeah. Okay, now first thing I'm going to clean my tip is dirty, So I have some copper thing, and now you can see it's going to be more clean. So I'm rubbing here to make clean all the carbon, old carbon, and now you can see it's kind of white, and this side is slightly black. So what I'm doing is cleaning my solder, and now it's very white. Okay, now I'm going to take a solder, put it here, press. Okay, yeah, okay, one side already here, and now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, all the now the heatsink is very hot, and if you see, the SIM is very clear, nothing burned badly or something. So easily I can make a connection for the future. Okay, now you see the SIM is already get two nice connection and thick connection, because I'm going to stick this. As you can see, the SIM plastic is in a quite good condition, as you can see here and here. It's slightly because of solder, but actually when I clean it will be clean because of flux slightly here. You can see, yeah, you see, it's just clean. The SIM is in a good condition and the connection is already become up, because I make a thick connection and I need a thick connection, and yes, you can see this is no short circuit. Okay, both is corner side I made it. Why I make a slightly thick connection? Because here's we have a thick tube. Okay, this is the coil and inside magnet. I will give link in description how I made it. So I don't want to make a video very long. So in my previous video I make this coil with the magnet. I will give the link. So now again I'm making connection here. First again I putting the flux here, and then I'm going to like this. Because this wire is quite thick, so slightly difficult, taking long time. It's okay, it's done. As you can see, yeah, so far it's okay. Again I'm going to put some paste, soldering paste or soldering flux. Okay, and now because it's quite thick wire, not very thick but almost 1 mm, more than 1 mm. so it takes time. But here we don't have to worry to anything because wire, nothing happen. How long you take it, keep it in the hot. Okay. Here I get two connections. Now I'm going down and giving the connection, but again I have to clean my solder first, and I will take solder from here and connection there. As you can see, done very quickly, one side, and another side. Not take long time, just quick. First you have to come in the position. Yeah. Both side is okay. Here is the cable slightly come out, but it's okay because it's quite thick cable. So actually connection is just like a half wires. They are connected to the SIM, but it's okay. As much as wires connection is okay, but other connection I can just made it. I will just turn back. Okay. So you can see I got both wire connected with the coil with my SIM card. Okay. So here we got, now we put it here on the side. The solder work is done. Everything on the side, and here the SIM card is ready. So you can see. Okay. So here our main device is ready with a good connection. Now we need to take an old Wi-Fi card here. This is old USB card. We will put it. Okay. Just like this. But first, before how we connect with the mobile, this thing is important here. Here is the mobile. As most of my videos, I have small mobile. Actually I have big, I have another mobile, but they are quite big. So when I want to zoom and I do my work, I prefer is a small size mobile. That's why I keep it and put all the apps, because other mobiles sometimes I have a personal apps or something, so I don't want to use a different mobile, and for security of my channel also. So let's see on the background. No, nothing. SIM card tray, actually I already bring out. This is the SIM card tray. I put it here in front of you. As you can see, is a volume rocker and this is the SIM area and SIM card is out. So I permanently make it out to show, to not make a doubt to anyone. Okay, here's more bright so you can see more clear. Okay, now I on Amazon or anything, open YouTube, you can see. Okay, so what I am doing, we are going to connect and we will see from here. We need a connector. Okay, this is USB connector, original from Samsung. First I'm going to connect this right here. Okay, when I connect this, if you see the modem is working, hold on, you can see the light. Maybe I need to, okay, I hope you can see the light here. Yeah, so it's mean modem start works, but our internet is not connected yet because our real stuff is here. I'm going to bypass the internet data, so I'm going to place this my magnetic coil SIM isolator bypass exactly on the top of this modem right here. Okay, SIM card tray is here, and in the mobile there is no SIM. One SIM is here. Only SIM we connected to our magnetic coil isolator. Later I will show you how I do it also. So now I'm going back. Okay, let's click on the YouTube. You can see online mark. Wow. Okay, let me search my channel. Test. Test. Comparison. Yeah. You can see. Start already automatically the videos. Here's my videos. So YouTube working perfectly, popular one. You can see. Just add again with another video. Add start. That's why I don't want to click actually the video most of the time. So here it is. Now we will check the Amazon. Click try again. Click on any link. Work flawless perfectly. You can download any games, free games, movie, Netflix, HBO, free, unlimited games, movies, Netflix, Amazon Prime. So you can see here, download. As you can see, it starts. So yeah, that's the simple and easy method. But if we will bring out this from here, yeah, so our device is out, free internet data, device is out, and I'm trying to click the same place here, any app, other app. So you can see, try again. Again I go to Amazon, I will click some another link. Here you can see, even the YouTube, I on again, and here it is. So yeah, as you can see, you can use any Wi-Fi modem for this, but this thing is very important. You have any Wi-Fi modem, USB modem, 3G, 4G, 5G, it's okay. Just keep this all thing on the side here. Now we come to here. First thing you see, how many rounds here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So there is a 13 rounds. And how many the thick of the wire, I will show you in the, you can check here. Actually it's almost 2 but inside the real wire size will be almost 1 because 1 is a plastic actually. So actually the wire is 1 this small dots is and this is 1 centimeter, and other side is inches. So hope you get the idea, but actually the real wire is 1 thick. I hope you can see this is 1 exactly 1 thick. But if I do calculate all together, it's almost more than 1 right? 2 So this is the exactly size of the wire. Another thing is SIM card. You can use any SIM card from any network, Verizon, AT&T, Orange, Vodafone. Many times nowadays, that's why I say always keep the old SIM. Don't throw your old SIM. This is how you can get free, how you can make free unlimited data, boost internet Wi-Fi anywhere, anytime, 100% working. So here it is. And behind there is a magnet, speaker magnet. And I am going to I will give the link for this first time how I made it in the description, so you can check. So this one is easy, simple method, and this magnet you can get it from the speaker easily. It's just almost $1 or $2 system, but if you have old USB, it will be very helpful for you for emergency basis. This is idea, concept, possibility, educational demonstration video. I always recommend buy internet, and yeah. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I will try to reply as soon as fast to your comments. But if you watch complete video, I will recommend, because sometimes I already talk and some questions might be, if it's very funny or it's already talked in the video, I will not reply. Again, many times I talked already about the video, about the everything, but people ask the same question, from where I get it. This I told already here. Everything is online from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. You have a lot of sellers, they are selling but these basic things, the wire, the magnet, SIM card. You have to find yourself in your area. If you don't have in US, yeah, I think in Canada and in America almost the SIM card is not exist, but still you can find it somewhere, and I recommend you for 2 3 4 SIM cards. You can keep it for the future, because soon the SIM card going to be finished. Because of this kind of videos, they want to upgrade their system and want to remove the SIMs and register your phone with the EMI. So there is no SIM, so there is no, I hope you understand, you cannot get any more free internet. So this is a possibility demonstration. Hope you like it. Thumbs up.